Hey folks, you're watching this video because you have some interest or curiosity about the premium and executive memberships. So we are going to go over some details on that just to kind of give you an overview of what they are all about. But then down below on this premium member page, premium/executive member page, there's a lot more details. And obviously, as always, you can contact us if you have questions. So we'll start off with the premium membership, and Ryan's going to go over some details on that.
All right, guys. So for the premium membership, the first benefit you get is a template of the month. So this is February of 2022's monthly template. And so the way this works is we don't ship you one every month. What we do is we keep track of all of the templates that you're due since you signed up. And every time you order something, we ship you all of the back templates. So if there's 6 months in between orders, all the ones that you would get for the 6 months you didn't order will be in that package, okay? And then the biggest benefit we feel is the free router bit sharpening. So any bit that you buy from us, any of our bits, you can send them to us. So you ship them to us. We sharpen them for free, which is a $7 each. That's what we charge to sharpen them. So yeah, so if you have 20 bits, you get 20 bits sharpened. And all you have to pay is you have to pay to ship them to us, and then $9 for us to ship them back to you.
So the $7, to make that clear, the $7 is if you're not a premium member and you want us to sharpen your bits. As long as you bought them from us, we don't sharpen bits outside what you purchase from us. It would cost you $7 a piece plus shipping back and forth. Anyway, just making that clear.
Right.
Yeah.
And then you also get a free 45-minute video. That's a $20 value. And it's from start to finish carving a simple sign, right? All the different steps. You also get a 5% discount off of all of your orders. Everything across the board, 5% discount. And then you will also get an exclusive video once a month that we will send you the link to. It'll be unlisted on YouTube, and the only people that see this are going to be premium and executive members. And you get a 25% off of any of our paid courses on Podia for one course of your choice, right? So whichever one you want to see first or third or fifth, whatever. Whichever one you choose, you get 25% off of that.
So that's a really good deal, premium membership, and that's $9.95 a month on a recurring basis for as long as you're a premium member. So now we'll kind of jump into the executive membership. So the executive membership includes everything as a premium member, but it also includes 50% off of any one course that you of your choice of paid course. We don't have a lot of them right now, but by the end of 2022, our plan is we'll probably have more of a library, probably 3 or 4, maybe 5 courses within our library, and we're going to keep making specific courses. The next one we're going to do is on marketing. Anyway, you'll see that. You'll see some announcements about that coming up. But and then what Ryan talked about as far as an exclusive video for the executive members and premium members. Also, as an executive member, you will receive not only the monthly template that the premium members get, but you'll also get a big stencil that will have a different one every month. This again is for February of 2022. And then the video that you'll see as an executive or a premium, it will be making that stencil into a sign. And so this is one that Ryan just did the other day. And we'll show you all the steps that it takes to turn that stencil, use that stencil and make it into a sign. So there's a pretty good extra benefits becoming an executive member. That's $19.95 a month. And rather than a 5% discount as a premium member, you'll get 10% discount on all of our products. So that's, pretty much like, depending on how many bits that you send us to sharpen, that can be $100 value or plus. The premium membership may be $50, $60 value, again, depending on how many bits that you have that we sharpen for you. So there's a huge value in this, we feel, And we may be adding more benefits as time goes on, but those exclusive videos that the premium members and the executive members, we're really excited about that, because we'll also be kind of throwing in from time to time some behind the scenes stuff that nobody else will see. We'll kind of, if there's some bloopers or something that happens, we're going to just keep the camera rolling and throw in some cool kind of behind the scenes stuff as well. So anyway, guys, that's a synopsis of the premium membership, executive membership. Again, you can read more details down below. If you have any questions, you just email us, eric@makeawoodsign.com, and we're happy to answer any questions. Give us a call. You guys probably know how to get a hold of us. So anything else you can think of?
I think that's it.
I think that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We so thank you for all the support. You guys have supported us, and the people that follow us support us, and we're just feel so blessed, honored, and grateful that you guys take any time watching what we do, let alone support us monetarily, like through the memberships or buying any products from us. Anyway, guys, I'm going to stop now. That's enough. We love you guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.